Hey, how are you going? And thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at simplifying ratios. If you remember what a ratio is, it is comparing. So I'm going to put a small ratio up here, which is 5.10. So that means I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So I have 5 redheads to 10 blondes. So I've compared. But we can simplify that. We know that this is just like a fraction. So if right now I can think about how many redheads do I have? I've got 5. The total is 15 compared to 10 out of 15. Wow, 5 out of 15 is the same as me saying how many 5s in 5? 1. How many 5s in 15? 3. So we can simplify. 2, 10 divided by 5 equals 2, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So we are comparing 1/3 to 2/3. So let's think about that now. Here, 5 and 10, what is common between those two numbers? 5. How many 5s in 5? 1. How many 5s in 10? 2. And I look at my numerators, 1 part to 2 parts. And that's what happens when our denominators are the same, we can compare. So, that is how we simplify a ratio. We just look at our ratio and what is common. It doesn't matter if we're comparing more than 2 things. So, for example, if I have 4 people that I've got blonde hair, 6 people that I've got red hair, and 10 people that have brown hair. Exactly the same thing applies. What is common between 4, 6, and 10? 2. So let's divide everything by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. As long as we're doing exactly the same to each part, we are okay. It's just like equivalent fractions. Whatever we do to the numerator, we must do to the denominator. Exactly the same with the ratio. We need to do the same with each of the pieces. Hopefully you're understanding that, and thank you so much for spending this session with me today, and I'll keep in touch.